Hello. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know, IIT JAM is a joint admission test for M.Sc. So this is the question number 2 from section A. So let's start with this question. We have to find a mutation among these four given options, which is the operator locus of lac operan that confers consecutive expression of a beta galactosidase. Okay. So here the right answer is the option A, that means cis dominant, because a mutation is the promoter which binds RNA polymerase or the operator are cis acting. Mutations in the promoter which binds RNA polymerase or the operator are cis acting. That is, they only affect expression of genes on the same DNA molecule in which the mutation occurs. They only affect expression of genes on the same DNA molecule in which the mutation occurs. Mutations in an operator sequence that decrease repressor binding result in consecutive transcription. Now, as we know that mutations in an operator sequence that decrease repressor binding results in consecutive transcription. Okay. For example, E. coli bacteria can break down lactose, but it's not their favorite fuel. E. coli can break lactose, but it's not their favorite fuel. If glucose is around, they would much rather use it. They would prefer it. Okay. Because glucose requires fewer steps and less energy to break down than lactose. Why? Because glucose requires fewer steps and less energy to break down than lactose. However, if lactose is the only sugar available, E. coli will go right ahead and use it as an energy source. If only if only sugar lactose is available, then E. coli will go right ahead and use it. To use lactose, the bacteria must express the lac operant genes, which encode key enzymes for lactose uptake and metabolism. So, lastly, to use lactose, the bacteria must express the lac operant genes, which encode key enzymes for lactose uptake, which encode key enzymes for lactose uptake and metabolism. Okay, so that's all. So we have solved this problem, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.